I'm definitely in favour of introducing a mandatory choice option. I think this will move us on further from this in-out debate. The research I've done is I interviewed some donor families, about 19 donor families, about their experiences of organ donation. And we also spoke about how they felt about other systems being introduced, such as presumed consent and financial incentives as well. And from that work, I got kind of interested in the views of the wider public, because at the time there was a lot of discussion going on about medical ethicists about sort of saying, oh, we need to do this presumed consent, we need to do this in order to increase the organ donation rate. And I was reading the material in the journal, sort of thinking, well, but we don't know how the UK population actually feels about that. So that generated the idea of doing a survey in Scotland, which we did in 2004. And taking those results together, the findings, I think, show that people actually want their families to be involved in the organ donation decision. They want them to have that veto at the end of the day. And families, if you ask them, they want to be involved too, but only if they know what the deceased wanted, because then otherwise it becomes very, very difficult for them to try and guess or, presume, if you like, what the deceased would have wanted in that situation. It's kind of like, look, at the end of the day, this is my body. Why shouldn't I have the right to say yes or no? The discussion tonight was talking about saying, yes, I want to opt in, or no, I want to opt out. Where in actual fact, what's wrong with people saying, having both options in recording the yes or the no, or even that, you know what, I don't know, because I haven't made up my mind yet. So it's one way, just I think, to move the debate forward. But having said that, a lot of what was said tonight as well about the organisational changes to the infrastructure and to the culture is probably key. I would sort of agree a lot with what Monica was saying, and in fact you can introduce any legal framework that you want, financial incentives, presumed consent, prioritised donation, yada yada yada, but if you don't actually have that organisational culture and structure, it's not going to work.